Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Hills State People Democratic Party announces first list of candidates for district council elections. There has been no investment so far in the state ever since the launch of investment policy, says Meghalaya Congress President Vincent H. Pala. Hinyotrap National Youth Front opposed Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024. And UDP senior leader Lakman Rimboy called for quick settlement of Assam-Meghalaya border dispute. And now for the news in detail. The Hills State People Democratic Party announced its first list of candidates for the upcoming district council elections scheduled for February 21, 2025. The list includes 6 candidates for the KHADC and 2 for the JHADC. HSPDP General Secretary P.L. Rintathyang stated that a second list of candidates will be announced in the coming days. Addressing concerns over Mukim's exclusion, KP Pangyang clarified that this is only the first list and assured that the names of other leaders, including MLAs, will feature in the next announcement. Meghalaya Congress President Vincent H. Pala claimed that there has been no investment so far in the state ever since the launch of investment policy, as the process is very lengthy. Lending his views on the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act, he said that there is no conflict towards the Land Transfer Act. He was of the view that acquiring an NOC is needed for purchasing land.
Transfer Act kimla bantin jaka kun bagi tu invest policy ke Increment Act ya Land Transfer Act isu change ke policy jaka bakin le lamba ke single window ke mandra no lamba ke jaka bagi le lamba ke industries ke le lamba ke planning tegato kimla ban le namar menta ke act hi bakin tiet jaka ke ne ke tahi tiki habio NUC ndekile no gono habio si ne kishnong habio NUC te kamde re basuk bakin tiet kulmar le te kata inga trai ki klam amen ne ka ak ban Land Transfer Act te ngatrai kamde ga jingma hado gat kumbangi mot.
The Hinyotrap National Youth Front has opposed the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024, arguing that the land will be acquired and handed over to non-tribal entities. Addressing the press on Friday, President of HNYF Sadon Bla said that they have reasons to oppose the act as it is in conflict with Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. He expressed dismay that the district council members are not part of the governing council and high part committee of the IMA, even though a considerable amount of land falls under the jurisdiction of the district council.
Opposition section by I was the governing council but high power committee. The government the governing council but high power committee the chairman chief minister but the cabinet ministers. But the Hakani kalong indirectly I was no chief minister but cabinet minister kemudian governing council high power committee bahkan modify abrogate dan yang bet
UDP senior leader and former Home Minister Lakman Rimboy has called for quick settlement of Assam-Meghalaya border dispute. He said that the skirmishes among the border are happening regularly, while hoping that the Chief Minister of both Assam and Meghalaya will make their best efforts to resolve the dispute. He also admitted that it is not easy to resolve the dispute in areas which are being discussed in the second phase of talks. Both government has constituted a regional committee to resolve the dispute in the remaining 6 locations.
That brought under the leadership of Conrad Kesam and the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, they have tried to come into understanding that this issue cannot be linger much. We have to find a solution. But a solution to this vexed issue as border is not very easy. And the regional committee, different regional committee, they try their best to address the issue. But as I said, that we have to see the consensus of the people. We have to see also the convenience of the people. And I'm very hopeful that the government, the state, and the people of border area will understand that this issue need to be settled once for all.
The Village Health Council of Umkadhor village organized a pre-Christmas celebration today by distributing warm blankets to orphans, elderly individuals and persons with disabilities. The event also featured an awareness program addressing the rising issue of child marriages, conducted jointly by the VHC and the village organization. The celebration was attended by Sostenus Sotun, MLA of Jirang, as the chief guest, along with R.V. Marwen, officer in charge of Patarkhma Police Station, among others.
Kam harugide bat ke kam senong helai lai keraru harugide bat kumno ban saindur banang tanba susu ngalo tene ke senong bat kiwe ki senong di badan hakane ka konsensi bat tene ke ka subject ka ba laban ong ka ba kit jingmut bat ka ba laban ay ka jinhikai ka ba ka ba ki hul samla ki jangi kinyo ekne ki jinkai ki hat ki bare paro ki duktip agde bugni phang.
The Hill Farmers Union Central Body, led by General Secretary A. Karsandeo and President of Sonidan Circle R. Shadap, celebrated an advanced Christmas event in the presence of local farmers, marking a joyful occasion for the community. During the event, the union distributed vegetable seeds to farmers for winter season cultivation. In recognition of the dedication of its members, the union also presented Christmas gifts to those who have consistently supported the organization during its challenges. Karsandeo emphasized the union's commitment to encouraging farmers to continue cultivating crops during the winter months.
Kum kahil sama union ni wan kapang matakas ni hakani kisnong nakabenta ban rakhi ya ka advan Christmas barhakaju kaporu ni layo ya ka ban ai ya ki sembai ka ba nimla shisha ban klam na penpau ka jing snongo ya ka office jong ka rep karyang ka District of Agriculture ya ka ba kala ai ya kini ki sembai nilayo ikini kisambay naka District of Horticulture.
Mitchell Wankar Laban Moprem MDC extended financial support to securities of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Enforcement Wing at a small gathering today. He annually used to give the security personnel some help before Christmas and acknowledge their hard work to ensure the KHADC office and campus is well looked after.
But I do ipor bagi dang yatri kung casual ijingyo ibalabdet ibarit bah te nadu itu ipor mo pibai don hani ibai don nadu kapor ngaile iban pet kami pi khamtam e kani kapor Christmas ba jiwan ujisu bani teman lang but khamtam e ba hayang sem to manusnam ni jua ai ni ai sobha khamtam e tang maneyo bani sobha lem hayang sem.
The Khasi Students Union Balad Border Area Circle, KSU Lauba Border Area Circle and KSU South Semper Circle, in collaboration with the KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District, today ended the signature campaign which has been going on for 5 months, demanding upgradation of Mausanram CNRD block into a civil subdivision. Through this last signature campaign, the KSU has publicly announced that they will continue its protest on this issue. B. Snaitang President, KSU Balat Border Area Circle, said that the KSU has been conducting various peaceful protests in the last 5 months, but the state government has remained silent.
Mereka yang ada jenaki kejangti, ban penslow syah ditolong skor jong, kesokar kejeng, nak bentah Dan tentu berdampak ia akan kita motion ram CNRV block Shaka Civil Subdivision.
The Kripa Victoria Senior Citizen Home organised a heartwarming pre-Christmas celebration today at the Kripa Foundation in Umroi, bringing together members of the community for a joyous occasion. The event was attended by V. Walang, Project Director of Kripa Victoria Senior Citizen Home, and S. Walang, Project Director of Kripa Foundation, along with the foundation's dedicated staff, senior citizens and other guests. The celebration aimed to spread festive cheer and foster a sense of community among all attendees. The program featured a series of lively and traditional Christmas carols and inspiring performances by the senior citizens, showcasing their talent and festive spirit. In the cross-country run held today, dubbed Dakar, from Sabah Muswang village won first place in the men's category, while Pernai Kindat from Mukhayalong took the top spot in the women's category. The theme of the run was Say No to Drugs. The event, organized by the NPP Yamusyang unit, covered a distance of almost 10 kilometers. Jowai local MLA Wailat Mikishila flagged off the race in the presence of DSO, Krobok Pasa and others. The main objective of hosting this event for the first time was to raise awareness about the harmful effects of drugs. Shilla emphasized the importance of collective efforts and contributions from both society and the government in combating drug abuse.
To ya em go hajing ya khun go chor pha hajing to wo drugs ta gajing kali go pan man ni ile unu drugs kam yo pia ni po khubor kate man gasni ba ki police ki pli ya kemgi man gasni ba arkari lekari the kemba yo ni drugs ta kattele po ni drugs nei bha iwato emi ya ka very young population.
The Ranikor Constituency Week 2024, organized by the Southern Border Sports Association under the leadership of the local MLA Pius Marwin as president, ended yesterday. The 3 days long week ended with the Miss Ranikor 2024 competition, where Yai Kermen Yaupniao from Putjaud Rangthong emerged as the winner. Before that, a friendly football match between the officers of Ranikor Civil Subdivision against the office bearers of the UDP Ranikor Circle was also held, in which the team of officers won the match by 3-2 goals.
Dreams and encouraged me to be who I am today. Thank you.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 12 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 75%. Forecast in Tura, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 6.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 16.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 67%, and forecast in Shillong is dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And meanwhile in Jowai, minimum temperature 6 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 15 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 64%, and its forecast is dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And now for the headlines once again. Hills State People Democratic Party announces first list of candidates for district council elections. There has been no investment so far in the state ever since the launch of investment policy, says Meghalaya Congress President Vincent H. Pala. Hinyotrap National Youth Front opposed Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024. And UDP senior leader Lakman Rimboy called for quick settlement of Assam-Meghalaya border dispute. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.